HMRC have issued a stop notice to Property 118, which is a major tax advisory firm for UK landlords. In this video, I will explain what went wrong, what does it mean when someone gets a stop notice, and what you should do, especially if you are one of the many hundreds, if not thousands, of UK landlords who have used this firm. Just a bit of a backstory. As a result of Section 24, if you have UK rental property, you must have seen a sharp increase in your tax bills. If you are a high earner, all of a sudden, some of your properties even started making a loss. The legal solution was to start using a limited company, but there was a huge upfront cost of capital gains tax and stamp duty. Naturally, UK landlords are looking for a magic solution that gives them more of their money after paying taxes. In some cases, the legal upfront cost is so significant that it means that you won't be making any profit from your properties for the next 3 to 4 years. Property 118 came up with a solution that they believed could legally remove the upfront cost for UK landlords. It was an over engineered tax scheme which is likely going to be caught by the anti tax avoidance rules. Objections are raised on the deed of trust that is poorly designed and it seems to contradict itself, failure to notify HMRC that a tax planning scheme has been used, and the change of beneficial ownership that uses the declaration of trust that could default the mortgage terms and conditions and result in your mortgage lender asking for a repayment. Property 118 believe that they are innocent and they've just simply found a clever way to avoid paying tax. Therefore, despite being investigated by HMRC, they continued to sell this scheme to their customers. As a result of this activity, HMRC have now issued a stop notice, which is quite serious. It makes it a criminal offense to engage in this tax scheme. So they have to stop. There is no other way. The case is still ongoing because Property 118 are going to challenge HMRC on this point. But if you've been involved in their scheme or did something similar, it is important for you to seek professional advice and cut your losses and rectify your tax affairs as soon as possible. If you are a former client of Property 118, I won't be surprised if HMRC contacts you to review your property structure. And there are a number of professional firms helping former customers of Property 118 or people who did something similar by copying the Property 118 model because it was probably cheaper to do it themselves. I hope you found this video useful. Like and follow for more updates.